Okay, the website is student.nilet.gov.in. Okay, this registration has to be completed before 15th of this month. Okay, before 15th of this month, then only we can track you whether you will be writing the examination or examination with us.
Ma'am, your screen is not shared.
No, I have not shared it. I will share. Okay, I have not. I have done registration. My whoever is has done registration, no need to worry about that. Okay, I think all our other batch they have registered, but this is for our new batch, whoever has started the course in October. Okay, so I will share my screen. That is the website. If you go in there, okay, student.nilet.gov.in, this is how it comes. Okay, this is the website. In this website, this will be this advertisement, important admin notices and all that, you can close it. Okay, then afterwards go down, scroll down, then you will see this apply online. Okay, click on that. Once you click on that, please select the certification course for which you wanted to apply. Okay, this is NSQS registration. Your courses, which is PG program in data engineering, will be listed in the short term courses. Okay, okay. So if you can scroll down and see down, there will be PG program in data engineering. This one. Okay, ITES 05521. Okay, this one. Okay, once you click on that, it will give the step by step instructions for filling the PG program in data engineering registration form. You can download that brochure. Okay, and also see the about the course. Okay, it has information about the course. This is about the NSQF course. This you can ignore. You can read that later on. Then after that, you can tick the declaration and do I agree and proceed. Okay, I agree and proceed. Then afterwards, if you can see, okay, have you registered online? You don't have to change. Have you got online reference number? This and all you don't have to change it. The 1.0, 1.1, 1.1 it has automatically took postgraduate program in data engineering. Okay, and applied it through institute. These things you don't have to change. In 1.2.1 you have to select the state as accredited institute, as Tamil Nadu. Okay, because you are taking the course in Tamil Nadu state, Chennai, Nilet Chennai. So the state as Tamil Nadu and the center as Chennai. As soon as you select the state, okay, Tamil Nadu, the center will automatically come. Okay, Nilet Chennai, Chennai. Okay, it is saying please ensure that you are already enrolled with the selected accreditation institute for the level applied for. Close. You can close that. Okay, after that you don't have to change anything. The registration will be paid by, okay, actually this is containing only one option, Nilet Center Accredited Institute. You can select that only. Okay, so 1.0 will be like only two things you will select, 1.2.1 and 1.2.2. Okay, these two things you will select it. And the applicant's personal details, these things you will be selecting according to your name. Okay, name, care of and all those things, this is your personal details. All this information you will give: marital status, category, date of birth, gender, father's name, mother's name. Okay, EWS person or and the religion. Okay, and on your contact details, mobile number, permanent address details in the fourth division, correspondence details, address details, and the qualification. Okay, education qualification, whichever is suitable for you, and the year of passing. Okay, in the identification details, then you have to upload a photo. Okay, upload the photo as per the 50 KB, with the limit of 50 KB JPG, EG or PNG GIF format, and upload your signature also. Okay, which is of a 50 KB. Okay, don't sign it in the red marks and all, red color pin. Don't sign it in that. Okay, sign it in a blue blue color, blue would be safe. Don't sign it in red color, otherwise we will ask you to change it. Okay. And the passport size photograph, that whatever as per the standard, you upload that. And upload your left hand thumb impression. Okay, this also should not be in red mark, can be in a black, okay, or blue will be blue ink. Okay. And any marks on your body which is visible, that you can mention it here. Okay. After giving this uh, number, then it will ask you to you have to again tick mark the declaration and submit it. Okay. Okay, this is that one. Okay, just a moment. Okay. So these are the things which you have to fill it and submit it. You will get your get a registration uh, information. Okay, user ID and a login information. Okay, sorry about the interruption. Then afterwards, you just submit it. That's all. Okay, this is the student registration. Once I accept it or we accept it from our group, then you will registration ID and your credentials will get generated. Okay, that will be sent to your email ID. Okay, with that you can log in. Okay, this is the registration process. I'll go to how where you can log in. Okay. So if you go to the student.nila.gov.in, once you get your registration ID and the user ID credentials, then you can select it as a user type candidate, and with your credentials you can log in. Okay, you log in and check it. Okay, this is the first step. First, what you have to do is you have to do an apply online, which is a registration, and select your course, which is PG program in data engineering in the short term courses. Okay, then give all the details here. You will do agree and proceed, and you will select the center as Tamil Nadu, and you will select the accredited institute as NILET Chennai. Only, okay, other things no need to change it in this. Even the 1.4 will be the same. Okay, NILET Center accredited institute, and your personal details, your photograph, your signature and your thumb impression, all to be given, not in red marks. And after that you will submit it. Okay. Once we approve your submission, then you will get your credential through which you can log in and check it. Okay, you all will do this, right? Any doubts in this? Amlan, you don't have to do. I think Venkana Babu also doesn't have to do. Who has to do is the new batches. Okay, for you, this exam registration that I will tell you in the afternoon and the other class. We'll schedule a class and tell you.
Where is the link, ma'am?
Link is student.nilec.gov.in.
Okay, okay, okay. Is for this need to pay any amount?
No, you don't have to pay any amount.
Okay.
Madam, what will be the probability exam date for this exam?
For after
That
6 months, it will be. So we started in October 21st, right? You can calculate 6 months plus one. This next month will be your examination.
next month.
6 month plus one. That is
Acha, 6 1 plus 1. Okay, okay, okay.
yeah,
Got it now.
October 21st to December, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. You will have your examination.
Okay, okay. Yes, get it.
Most probably in June you will have. Okay. You want me to repeat again? Okay, you have to do a student registration, Rohan. The student registration is to register yourself for the NSQF examination. Okay, NSQF examinations will be conducted by the headquarters, NILET headquarters. We do conduct only courses here, and for that you have to go to student.nilet.gov.in site. When you open that, it will come like this. Close this notices. Okay, and if you could scroll down, there is apply online link will be there. Click on that, and you have to select your course here, which is your course you are going to apply, and that one is the uh, PG program in data engineering will be there. Okay, I agree and proceed. Then you have to fill all the information, your personal details. In the first one, registration details. For the you have to select your state of accredited institute where you are studying this course. That is Tamil Nadu. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, Chennai. The accredited institute center is Chennai. Okay, these two you have to select it. After that, nothing you have to change in this first division. And after that you have to fill your personal details, contact details, address, correspondent address, and education qualification. And you have to upload your Aadhaar card number. Okay, and your photo and signature and left thumb impression. Okay, and any marks on visible marks on your body that you can mention it. Then click on declaration form and then submit it. Okay, this is the step you all have to do it. Do it on or before 15th of this month, December. Okay, 15th of December this registration has to be done. The last date is 15th. No exam fees, how much? Not now, Amalan, that we will discuss in the class. No, for you, because you people have to do examination registration, that we will do it in the reference number option is no, the first 1.0.